Sambal Vinaka. My name is Brittany.
Kia ora, my name is Theo Farrow.
Assalamu alaikum and talofa guys. My name is Zainab Mustafa.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy Holy Boy Dom. Today on Stars of the Kitchen,
We are tasting a coconut dish.
So today I prepared Palo Sami. It's a traditional island dish. It's made with taro leaf, corned beef, onions and tomatoes, and the key is the coconut milk in the Palo Sami with a side of kumala.
Oh, it's like a little sandwich. Well, it's got a bit of corned beef.
if I just turn it over... Oh yeah, no, that's really good. A Tongan always knows a good Palo Sami, you know?
It doesn't look dry, but we'll see. We'll see.
It's a Palo Sami, Sophia, I
really like this. Oh my days.
Yeah, like you can taste the coconut cream, but then after a while it just gets a little bit salty.
think next time, more onion, tiny bit more salt.
Flavors are good, it's balanced. Wait, am I being too soon by saying this is my favorite dish? Should I even say that? Am I offending my own mom's recipe? Sorry, grandma's recipe.
Out of 10, I'll probably give it a good 6.
Tastes a bit raw. No, I'm kidding. I love you, whoever made that. It was fantastic. That's a solid 5.
I'm gonna give this dish a solid 9.5. I don't think I do give 9.5s, but this is good.
So I've got a banana Pookie. What's in it is banana, obviously, arrowroot powder, and coconut cream. So when they bite into this amazing dish, it's just gonna be an explosion of flavor.
Yes! Yes! Pookie!
Is this taro?
Oh. I don't think this is this taro?
Can I just start eating it? I already know this is going to be fantastic.
Okay, so it's not. I'm smelling banana. Okay, I am not a fan of banana. I never have and I never will be. And for people who like bananas, questionable.
Oh, the coconut cream. Holy hecka.
This tastes a lot like fike, which is like a rich human dessert.
Praise the Lord. Oh my days. Guys, I don't like banana. What is going on?
This definitely has the hands of a Cook Island mama in here.
I wasn't expecting this to be a sweet dish, but out of 10, I have to give this a 10. This is my favorite coconut dish so far.
The banana flavors are balanced to perfection. And then the coconut comes in and they marry each other and they're just living life. Solid 10. It's chef's kiss.
That could possibly be the best Pookie I've ever had in my life. So you know already what that is. It's an 8.5. It's an 8.5 because there wasn't enough.
So we've got taro bathed in coconut and with onions, of course. It's an OG dish. There's a lot of dishes that are, central to Pacific culture and Samoan culture, and taro and coconut cream sits at the tippy top.
Oh, some taro.
This is depressing. Let's go ahead.
It's looking a little bit lonely.
It looks good. I can't smell much. Yeah, but I mean, it's taro.
It looks like worms. The onions look like worms. Can we just zoom in on that?
Got 2 slices of onion, so that's nice.
Just tastes like taro, onions, and coconut cream.
Come on. Definitely a salmon. Okay. Okay.
So the taro's cooked nicely. Could have had a little bit more coconut milk.
Sweet. So I gave it a 5 out of 10. For me, there was no wow factor in the dish.
This dish, I would give it a 5.
I'm gonna give that a 4.5. That is depressing. Now this does not look like when I cooked it this morning. It's still edible. It's called a lusipi. Everybody likes it, even the Parangis like it, the Samoans like it. In fact, the Samoans think it's better than their luau, Palo Sami, with taro leaves, lamb flats, coconut cream, onion.
It's like some onion. Is that chicken in it? It's chicken. Coconut milk, got the taro leaf, some kumala.
It's dry. It's looking dry. I'm sorry. I just have a thing for dryness.
Is that bone, girl? I don't know what that is.
This is actually pretty nice. I thought it would be a bit dry because the pieces were a bit chunky, but actually all like flows pretty well.
Right, this is not even leaves. I don't know what this is. Probably shouldn't eat it. I don't want to choke. I would give this. I would give it a 6.
I would give this dish a 7. The flavors are nice, but my main thing is the meat. It's cut into chunks.
I'll probably have to rate this a 9. It's because the flavors worked really well together. I love the texture, and presentation was pretty good, and yeah, I like it.